Maridadi Motors.
Hello guys, I'm Nisa. I want to tell you where we are. We are on the Maridadi Motors. Maridadi Motors. You say faster. Maridadi Motors. So we have many cars for someone to buy. Yes. When somebody don't have a car, walk and to tell us. You need to go to Maridadi, buy some car you want, and buy your favorite color. So our number is 0713210255. If you call that number, you will call for us and tell us what color you want. So me, I like my color is blue, but somebody check my color. It's okay, but it's have other color for mine. But that one is for somebody to take it. So if you see somebody take your color, you'll be angry at them. And then you need to calm down. Alright? So you check other colors, not like blue or red. Maridadi Motors, move your status.
Riu no wigurire ngari ya wanga na thogora mubashirire kana import kuma murimo ukigerera website njeru ya Maridadi Motors. Igira www.maridadimotors.com. Nige no wigire Maridadi Motors Importers Club ukainvesti besha ciaku na ithuĩ tugakuriha baita o mweri wa invest shiringi milioni 1 tugakuriha shiringi 12,500 o mweri. Igira www.maridadimotors.com kana uke showroom ito haria Ridgeways Kiambu Road warie na ithuĩ tukuhendeto makeria. Ningĩ no tucerere wabici citu njeru Thika Zuhura Place kana Naikuru D&D Place.